Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, NPM, and a Firebase account. Once done, open your project folder and run npm install Firebase tools to get the CLI. Make sure to log in with Firebase login so the CLI has credentials tied to your account. Then initialize your site with Firebase init hosting, choose an existing project or create one, and set your public directory to the folder containing index. HTML. This starts the hosting workflow and creates Firebase. Next, you prepare and verify the build output that will be deployed. If you use a framework, run its build command so the compiled files land in the public directory you set earlier. Otherwise, ensure static files are present. Edit Firebase. JSON to add rewrites for single-page apps and caching headers for assets. Once configured, test locally by running Firebase Serve or Firebase emulators. Start to mimic production behavior. This helps catch path, routing, or asset issues before pushing live. You finish by deploying. Run Firebase deploy only hosting and note the provided URL. Once live, navigate to the site and inspect console and network tabs to confirm assets load and routes resolve. If something breaks, make sure you deployed the correct public directory and that Firebase. JSON rewrites aren't clobbering routes, also clear browser cache and retry. Finally, redeploy after fixes. If persistent errors occur, run Firebase deploy with debug to see detailed CLI logs that reveal configuration or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.